Sir, please, I'm looking for one talk.
Any man?
No, sir.
A brush now. Look at how body I can do okay. What is this? You need to say that you did not cook, you did not mess, and you agree, sir.
No, sir. I took my bed before coming out.
You took your bed, you took your bed, and you are still talking like this. How can you took your shift to get us in the morning? I don't like when young people like this smell them. But when we cook, I want to put too much. You don't talk too much. You talk all the is over adulterated. This man. Hey. Yeah.
You smell it.
Shift to that. Shift to me. Shift to. But what? What do you have to say? Do you have anything to defend yourself? Oh yeah, come closer. Come on. Sorry the way I reacted. Anybody in my shoe would do the same, even can do more than I have. The more you smell yourself, the more I get irritated. You don't you perceive your odor. A beautiful young girl like you. You see the way young boys were running away from you. Your blessings must have run away.
Hi.
Oh yes. Hi. Accept it is the fact. They might not tell you the truth. Some people might be only interested in your gutter. But they will not tell you the gospel truth. I am a father. And the father should always tell his or her child the truth. Even though you are not my biological daughter. But for the fact God has made me a father, I should advise anybody, any child that comes my way. Because if you are good to the society. The more you order yourself, I get angry the more. Don't you perceive it? You don't use deodorant? You do. That means the original or the Igbo the men order in your body, you are too odorful. You are odorated, turn your back, let me see. Turn around. Look at beautiful assets. Look at Urindo here. And I go some. A beautiful girl like you is supposed to be Ebemba Bumokrobia. Get us Akagabasa no be Mokrobia na be a woman in Meganapo. But instead of coming to you, they are running away because of what order. Is it not your fault? Or you should not but you can get rid of it. I'm not trying to make you feel bad. But the truth they say is bitter. And the truth must be told. You can buy like plenty. Since you find out that this is wrong with you, you can kill it. You take your bet and you don't wear clothes that will make your skin to gum. All these things are the things you need to understand. Find out, remove you this cloth now. Keep it. Tomorrow morning, bring it up and smell it. The way you perceived it, then consider it or put it to other people out there, how they will feel if they come close to you. This can chase away your husband. It can deny you so many opportunities. Because they say you will be addressed the way you dress. A young girl is supposed to, if you come out, your smell will be inviting. So she gonna happen. And they go to week again from this, they bring your colleague to me. Even in wish. Yeah, we have on the mouth. Or you can work on it. You can find out that now, fine, I'm telling you, if nobody have told you, you have it. Even when here, I wouldn't send to you. Because you probably send Matthew. My probably sent to you. My probably sent to you. You know, here because my sent to Gregory. I mean, for my wisdom, almost sent and die. I will hear because original one on Hebrew now. I'm sorry the way I'm sounding, that is my voice. But the truth I have just dropped it to you. People sleep my eyes are low, my shirt also, my lahia, my hypo, my jiki. You need an edge as a man tapete. Would you any memory? Would you such a pahogi? This is inbuilt, but you can get rid of it now that you are still young. If you've not found out that you have this in you, then when would you do that? Husband that wants to marry you will see you beautifully made, and he will come close. This can chase somebody away. so many young girls out there. It's not just you. A lot of you are like this. And you see them shaking their bum bum. You say, why inside of them is rotten? Please, my daughter, take good care of yourself. Your order will attract blessing. It can attract blessing. Just the way this young boy is run away, that is it. Your blessings are, only any of them that is interested in you, now they are gone and they cannot come back to you. Have I made myself clear? Yes. Good. You can proceed. Where are you going to? You chase away my customers. Please go home and take care of yourself. Go.
Yes, sir. I've not seen.
You mustn't finish it, please. This is the marketplace. Go and work on yourself. Go. Oh. May the Lord be with you. May he help you work on your order. Oh. Hey, you order most. The woman said, bring shutters and spray everywhere. A lot of people will start accusing me now that I have said unsaid. What I said is the pure truth. No matter how I directed it, you should know the truth and it shall set us free. Stop lazing around. Stop allowing yourself to stop intoxicating people. Don't allow people that come close to you. Walk on your armpit. I should put a lap here, towing here, Masaya. It's not good. That's how I talk. Everybody should be careful. Young people, find out. Share your tissue. Hey, can you shake you? Man, I came out there. She check and walk. Can you to one? Oh, she need to chief. Yeah, she need to Imo. She need to ask somebody who working as Therefor. I should smell as for the moment while I'm working. But when you get home, puff it off. We don't the other end. The don't give a mad. I wish you pal of mad poor. And now room divider. And now room air freshener. It is not good. How about that motel? I've been in the nation. Umaka Patazi Hakuroria. Every day, no love and a defectant to Mazana. Miss Omaga by Ogumbushi. Ogumbush, me can never know now. I seem no cushion. Message for all. Thank you. Look, Mazam, and that baby has. Of customer, have you been served? Check this. I'm here. I hold up the bottom. That's it. Come on. That's what I like. That's not what I like. Move. Not for you to start.